Wild edible mushrooms are more than just a tasty addition to your meals. They're a powerhouse of medicinal benefits. Rich in antioxidants, beta-glucans, and essential vitamins, mushrooms like chanterelles, morels, and lion's mane help boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. Compounds found in these fungi can lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, and even protect against certain cancers. By including wild edible mushrooms in your diet, you're harnessing nature's pharmacy to nourish your body and promote long-term wellness.